Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'll show you a few options on how to set up your resume page. On this page you have the option to upload your resume or use a contact form if you prefer. To put in a copy of your resume, you can either copy and paste your resume directly to your ePortfolio or upload your resume as an image, both of which you can add the original file for easy downloading. You may wonder why we can't just put in a download file. That's because we want visitors to see the document as soon as they land on the page. One thing to remember is to make sure you leave off your address and phone number. I'll start by showing you how to copy and paste your resume, so go ahead and open up your resume. Get rid of your address and phone number, then highlight all of the text and copy. Go to your WordPress, go to Pages, then Resume, and if your resume page looks like mine, you will already have a contact form on there. All you need to do is just move it down and then add a horizontal line to space it out, and then you can paste your resume on top of the contact form. Now it's going to look a little different than what you have originally. All you need to do is just fix it manually as close to the original as you can. So it seems like I have extra spaces, so I'm going to get rid of some spaces. You can go in and you can fix fonts and paragraphs and different things like that. So once you have it as close as you want, then go ahead and move to the bottom, and then you'll go in and look for Add Media. So now what we're doing is adding in the original file. So click on Add New, and look for your resume, and click on Open. And once that's done, just click on Insert, and you will have this link here. Now if you try to fix the text here, by clicking on the pencil, it's not going to give you the text to fix. So you're going to have to cancel and then click away from it first. Then when you click back on the link, you can edit the text correctly. And on here, you can just indicate that this is the original file download. So you can write that however you want. Then go ahead and just scroll down and save. And now you'll have this link here. So if you like the way this looks, go ahead and preview it really quick, and this will show you what it looks like. And of course you'll have the download here, and if you want you can leave the contact form here. If you don't like the way that this looks, I'll show you how to put in an image of your resume. So start from the top, and we're going to remove all of this except for the download file. So we're going to leave that blue link there. So it's just going to look like this. We're going to leave some space here. And now what we're going to do is open up our resume. And for this part, you should be able to do this whether you're on PC or Mac. Go to File and Save As. And you're just going to change the file format from a docx to a PDF. Click on Export or Save. And then you should be able to find the new file. So it looks like mine's right here. Just double click, and then you should have the PDF version here. Then what you want to do from the PDF version is go to File, and you will export. And this time you'll change the format to a JPEG, and then click on Save. Now if this doesn't work for you because you're on PC, I'll show you another way to do it. But if this does work for you, keep following me. So go to your Finder and just find the original file. It looks like it's right here. So now this is an image of our resume. So all you need to do is just go back to your resume page, click on Add Media, Add New, and we're just going to look for the original here. It might not be this one, but I'll check. Looks like this one is the PDF version, and you'll see that this is the Word doc version. And so I just need to look for that original one. Looks like it's right here. So it says JPEG right here. So click on Open and click on Insert, and now you should have an image of your resume right on your page with the download file, and you can choose to keep the contact form if you want. Okay, so now let me show you another option if you were not able to export the PDF to a JPEG. So I'm going to delete this one. And once you have your PDF file, which you still need, you'll want to go to smallpdf.com. So smallpdf.com, this is what it looks like. Look for the PDF to JPEG, and then you're going to drop your file here. And again, you have to have a PDF version first. So choose your file. Then we're going to look for the PDF version, which is this one. So that's the PDF one. We're going to click on Open, and you want to convert entire pages and click on Choose Option. And then depending on how many pages you have for your resume, it may give you more than one page. I only have one page, so it only gave me one page to download. If you have like 2 pages, it's going to give you one here and another one here. If you have 3, it's going to give you another one, and so on. So you just need to download every single file so that you make sure you have all the pages. So since I only have one, I'm going to download the one file. And then when you add it in here, it's usually under your downloads, so you just add new. You go to downloads, and usually it's a number like this where it's 0001.jpg, and the next one would be like 0002, and then so on. So I just have to do the 1, and I'm going to click on Open and click on Insert, and now I have an image of my resume on here from Small PDF. So you can do it either way. That's how you put the original on there down here, and also have like the original image of your resume on there. So you can choose to do that. If you don't want to use your resume on here, you can use the contact form that was provided on your resume page. So I'm going to leave this here, but we're going to pretend that I don't have my resume on here. So this is probably what it looks like before you put your resume on there. All you need to do is just change this sentence so it gives your visitors instructions on how to use the contact form. So it needs to say something like, please fill out the form below to contact me for my resume. And then once you have that, and you can fix this contact form to your liking. So you just click on the pencil, and then you can add new fields. You can delete things. So I'm going to delete the website because I don't think people need to put in their website in order for me to respond to them. So I'm going to remove this one. So now I have name, email, and comment, and I'm just going to click on Update. So then this is what my form looks like now. And we're done, so we can just leave it like this. If for some reason WordPress did not give you a form to begin with, I'll show you how to put that in. So anytime you accidentally delete this, for example, you don't have your contact form, all you need to do is just look for this button here that looks like an @ symbol. It will say Add Contact Form, and you just click on it. Then you just customize your form to your liking, and again, I'm going to remove website and just insert, and that's how you put in a new contact form. And so, to be clear, this contact form is not for you to fill out. This form is for others who are interested in contacting you for more information regarding your work or your resume. So visitors will fill out the form with their information, and it will send you an email with their request. It's a good alternative if you don't feel comfortable putting up your resume, but you don't want to seem like you left the page unfinished. So other than that, go ahead and just update. Make sure you keep what you want. Leave one of either the contact form on, or leave a resume on, or you can have both. And then just click on Update. Okay, and then once you have that green, then you're good to go. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to share your link to your professors and show you how to log in and out. Thanks for watching.